Deck the Lab, Holiday Crafting with Edvotek. Do you decorate your lab for the holidays? Have we got the projects for you? Join us today for some science crafting. The first decoration uses leftover plastic from your experiments. We are going to count out 12 microcentrifuge tubes and link them together by their caps, alternating the direction that the tube faces each time. Once the 12 tubes are linked, we are going to connect the first and the last tubes to make a snowflake. Attach some twine to make a hanger and a colorful ribbon, and then you're done. So this is one size snowflake. If you want to make a larger snowflake, use a larger tube. The next project uses chemical and physical symbols to spell holiday words. We're using chemspeller.com to create the words merry, cheer, joy, and Edvotek. Download each word as a PNG file. Next, print the words on heavy paper or cardstock, whichever works with your printer. Cut each word out of the paper using scissors or a paper cutter. We printed a lot of words so that we could make multiple ornaments and a garland. You're then going to mount each word to colored paper. I used construction paper, but you can use any colorful paper you have on hand. I used a glue stick to attach the words to the paper, but double-sided tape or glue would work as well. We then cut around the words, giving a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch border for decoration. I also laminated my ornaments to make them more durable, but that's optional. To complete the ornament, punch 2 holes through the paper and loop a thread, ribbon, or twine through the holes to create a hanger. Add a ribbon for a little piece of flair. If you want to add a little extra sparkle, embellish the ornament with markers or glitter glue if available. The garland is made just like the ornament, except we punch holes in either side of the word instead of into the center. Attach 2 links using a short piece of thread, ribbon, or twine. You can make it as long as you'd like, but be careful not to hang it over any open flame. Use the elements to spell out your name, your school, or even your favorite scientific discipline, which is biotechnology, of course. The possibilities are endless. Our final experiment uses 2-part resin, Petri plates, and colorant to create mini microbiology experiments that can hang safely on our tree. Prepare the resin as specified by the manufacturer, making sure to mix thoroughly. Add colorant to dye the plates. In this case, we're using red to simulate blood agar plates. Pour the prepared resin into the plates and allow it to cure as specified by the manufacturer. Since these plates are small, it took about 12 hours, but your results may vary. Using glitter glue, puffy paint, paint markers, or whatever else you have on hand, decorate your Petri plates. Here we have some quadrant streaks and some transformation experiments. See if you can spot the GFP or rainbow transformation plates. After the paint dried a bit, I attached the lids. I dabbed some hot glue on the outside edge of each plate and then placed the lid onto the plate. To create a hanger, you can tie some twine or a ribbon into a loop. Again, using hot glue, affix the hanging loop onto the back of the plate. And that's it! These require a little more work than our other decorations, but you can hang these in your classroom without any biohazard precaution. We hope you enjoyed crafting these ornaments with us. If you make any, please be sure to share them with us on social media using the hashtag EdvotekHoliday.